Just a little update. You know, the electricity figures were released yesterday. This is up to March. On current indications, it looks like we're going back to the levels of electricity used in the economy back in 99, 2000, might be a bit lower even. That is astounding. The average consumer, since the lockdown, has been spending only 55% of their normal card and cash payments. And remember that they usually do. This would exclude things like buying cars, houses, sometimes things like electronics that companies would buy, or a PC where you do a transfer and this. So it's a rather bleak picture. And it's unsustainable. It's at 55%. I don't think you're going to have many malls left. I don't think you're going to have many even take-a-lots and those sort of firms left either. It's really, really a long time for these guys to be working with us. And remember, the other thing is that the average amounts, these are volumes, but the average amounts have also decreased slightly with inflation even more. So you're probably looking at just under 50% in real terms. Passengers are down, car sales down 29%, home sales will be 0. I don't see hotels and restaurants coming back in the next 6 weeks. I think it's going to take a lot longer. The clothing guys, Grant Patterson said that the influence was already there with the first announcement. They had a 40% drop. I think they'll see some catch-up sales for a little while, but then they'll see another drop. Things like hairdressers, dry cleaners, car guards, you name it, they're all in big trouble.